Hey there, this is Jeff. Just going to go through what I can here on this Quadrajet. Alright, so it looks like choke is operating. I think that's everything that I can see. Hopefully that helps you out. Oh, I don't blame you for asking. These are good questions. But yeah, I am pretty certain that... So I sold the car that this came off of, but I'm pretty certain that the guy got caught up in that Edelbrock craze and removed a perfectly good Quadrajet to put a pile of poo Edelbrock on there. Yeah, that one's loose too. Yeah, looks like everything's good to go. Should be a nice core for a rebuild.